Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas for your sweet babies, beautiful crochet cap designs, stylish hat designs, beautiful hat patterns. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection for your sweet babies, beautiful crochet cap designs, new and trendy designing ideas, top 50 design ideas you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories. You can see also new and trendy designing ideas for your sweet babies. You can see in this my video. If you want to buy these very beautiful baby crochet cap designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, ebiva.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection.